Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram video call black screen problem. So guys, when you want to do any video call on your Instagram Messenger and facing black screen issue, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you have to go back, and guys after going to back, simply you have to restart your iPhone. So guys, simply first of all you have to turn off your iPhone, and guys after 5 to 10 seconds you need to turn on it, and guys or you need to restart your iPhone. And guys after doing this you have to go back, and guys simply after turning on your iPhones you have to open your settings and click on Wi-Fi. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. So guys, if not connected, you need to connect it first, and after doing this you have to go back. And second step is you need to scroll it down, click on general, and guys you need to click on transfer and reset iPhone. Click on reset, and you need to reset your network settings. Maybe there is network problem. And after doing this you need to go back, and guys you need to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN, and after doing this you need to go back, and your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, you have to check that your Instagram app is updated or not. So guys, if not updated, maybe there is bug or there is update problem. Simply you have to open your app store on your iPhone. So guys, if you're using Android phone, you have to open Play Store in your phone, and here you need to search Instagram. Simply you have to search your Instagram here, and after this you have to wait. Click on Instagram, and you need to update your app if not updated, and after doing update you need to go back. And guys at last you have to open your settings, and guys click on general, click on iPhone storage, and you need to wait. Click on Instagram, and you need to offload your app, and here you need to click on offload, and after doing offload you need to reinstall again from App Store, and after doing all the settings your problem will be fixed. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.